Hey, what's up, Ryan? Corey here. I'm just going to shoot over those three free tips to your on the screencast. So the three free tips I'm going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So just going to browse over your site real quick. Really, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do, how you do it on that first page. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer those keywords. Those keywords are what you're actually trying to be found for. Even these images, what they're saved as, it's all content. Google sees this. You can put keywords back there, which would just help with your rankings even more. Now, if I go inside of Google here and actually type in heating repair Panama City, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the very top. These are actually brand new. They came up with these to get rid of these old school ads, which they kind of put them down here at the bottom now. These old school ads have been very spammy. A lot of people have been going away with ads too because of ad blockers. A lot of ads aren't even been going through. But anyway, they came up with these to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls. I've seen these ads in different areas, anywhere from 30 to 140 bucks a click. So imagine being, tapping those a few times, a couple times every single day. It does get pricey as well. Underneath these ads, we have these this little map section. This map section, really to get the rankings here, is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get the top competitors' citations, the same ones that they have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking them. Underneath this little map section is going to be dealing with all the organic traffic. This really comes down to having that authoric content on your website, what you do, how you do it, plus it being found for those keywords layered inside as well, and then also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I just take your URL and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of your site. So it looks like right now you're getting, you have 8 referring domains, which is pushing back 70 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had about 121. Started this thing back in 2019. You're being found for 33 keywords. It doesn't look like you're running any ads. The PPC stands for pay per click. I don't know if you're doing any TV, radio. I know those get pretty pricey as well. So right here you got 33 keywords. So in total you're not getting any traffic yet, but kind of seeing in what you're starting to rank for. So these are all your keywords. This is how you're being found. Panama City air conditioning, there's a keyword there. There's 20 clicks with that one keyword, but you're not getting any clicks. There's zero traffic because you're 43rd position. AC Repair Santa Rosa Beach FL, there's another 10 clicks. 33rd position once again. AC Repair Panama City FL, another 90 clicks. Air Conditioning Repair Panama City FL, another 90 clicks. You're missing all the traffic, 28th position. This is Ridge Air Conditioning, kind of showing you what they got going on. They have a 21 referring domains, 136 backlinks. Like I said, not all backlinks are actually created equal. They only have 97 clicks to their website, but I want to show you the quality of clicks that are actually coming to their site. So they got 27 clicks out of the 70 for Air Conditioning Panama City FL. So they're first position, so they're getting a decent amount of traffic coming from those the volume of clicks on that one keyword. AC Repair Panama City, another 100 clicks. Fourth position, they're doing okay there. Air Conditioning Panama City, another 100 clicks. HVAC Panama City, 30 clicks. So really we'd want to come in and find all these keywords that's just going to bring in that quality of traffic that for you, and make sure that we have enough power and content so that way we can rank in these top positions. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over and would love a free custom game plan to help you get there, feel free to reach back out to me or apply these 3 free tips for yourself. And I do like reviews. You can tell me how I did on this video as well. Thank you.